Look at all those chickens.
Ready, set, go. No way! Oh my gosh. It has been a long time since I've made an intro like this. Because today, we are going riding pit bikes. We do a lot on this channel. We rev a lot of pit bikes. So we are actually taking the side-by-side over. Brittany's kid wants to ride in it today, so we're bringing that over. So we got the trailer all hooked up to the big red, and actually my pit bike's still over at Jake and Britt's house. I brought it over there on Friday night. They're like, just bring it over, go ahead and bring it over. But we got to don't look in the back because we got a surprise for you, and that's what we're doing today. Is we're gonna go look at what they have done in their backyard. Enough chit chat. I got to get the X3 loaded up, and apparently a few people will be over today, so I'm kind of excited to see who all comes out too. So let's get started, and yeah, let's head to Jake and Britt's. Got it all loaded up, tied down, got the cooler ready for some ice, and just like that, we're ready to go. So this is kind of how my morning's going. I passed this guy on the way out, and I just left the house, and I saw he was stuck on like sand dune kind of deal. I pulled over with the trailer on the truck. Then I tried 4-low, it was just me pulling, and now we got this buddy with some Cletus glasses on helping out too. So let's see what happens. Well, there it is. We got the van out. Heck yeah. Glad I could help. I don't know, I saw him on the side of the road this morning and he was digging it out, and there's no way it was gonna be dug out at all. So he said we made his day, but that's what it's all about. Yeah, we're headed to Jake and Britt's now. We're gonna go ride some pit bikes. I finally made it. What'd you say?
What took you so long?
I'm sorry, I saw someone stuck and I had to help him out. Is that okay?
Do better.
Do better. Gotta be better. Yeah, so we finally made it over to Jake and Britt's. Yeah, it does. Are you excited to ride, Max? Yep, he's excited. So we got the side-by-side over. Jake said he had a surprise for me, and I'm kind of nervous. I see some dirt back there. I see a little bit of dirt right there behind our foam pit that hasn't been built yet, but I don't know. I'm waiting for Jake. Jake said to say 1 second, so we're gonna wait for him to get back over here. Jake, buddy, you said we had a ride day over here, but there ain't nothing here, dude. What do you mean?
I got a surprise for you.
Do you?
I got a surprise for you. Are you ready?
The foam pit's not built, but...
The foam pit's not built. It's not the foam pit.
All right, well, I guess let's go look. He literally called me. He was like, dude, I've been working. I've had a dozer out here. I'm like, what could you possibly be doing? We've been talking about a foam pit for a while. You guys saw we got a foam pit.
I've been watching too much Red Bull Imagination.
Oh my gosh, what is that? Is that a jump?
Dude, we got a big boy ramp.
Are you serious? Oh, okay. Okay.
So, we got a pit bike track, bud.
We got a new pit bike track?
New pit bike track?
Dude, you got a water spray truck too? Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
You got it, man. I built this one just for you. I know you like big jumps on pit bikes.
I'm so good at big jumps on pit bikes. Insert the clip here. Dude, there's no way. Dude, this one looks sick. This one looks huge. How's this double? Is it pretty fun?
It's pretty easy. It's super fun.
Yeah? What gear do you hit everything in, really?
Man, you can hit everything in second.
Okay.
Shift third. Ramp.
Dude, that is huge. Look how big that is over there. Oh my gosh. There's no way. These jumps look so much fun. This looks like a freaking booter, though.
It is. Dude, it pops you so high.
Dude, I'm excited.
You can get super steezy off of it.
Yeah? I have to go and ride this. Dude, this is a 10 out of 10 surprise. Like, you can't go wrong with another pit bike track.
No.
You really can't.
The best number of pit bike tracks, you know the number, right?
Yeah.
Just one more.
Just one more. Okay, let's see it. Oh, easy. Oh, wow. Oh, easy. I gotta get on the bike and ride because this is sick. This ramp is huge. This gap is massive. What have you been building over here, Micah? That's gotta be the world's biggest wheelchair. All right, let's see. Oh. Legalized wheelies.
Oh, a one-hander?
One-hander? Oh God. Oh. I gotta see someone hit this. I don't know if I'll hit that. That's huge.
It's pretty big.
Okay, here we go, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh my god!
Show me some steez!
That is huge. There's no way I'm hitting that. Well, I gotta pop on the helmet. We gotta hit the track. I'm excited to finally test it out. Dude, I can't believe this is like a 10 out of 10 surprise, dude. This is awesome. All right, let's ride. First time riding at Jake's new track. Dude, this has got me hyped. He was like, come over, bring your bike, and let's ride. I was like, all right, well, sounds good. Sounds like you got something pretty good in store for me, so. All right, we got a little, oh my God, that's kind of sketchy. Little left turn. There's Britt. Oh, that's pretty fun. There's a freaking piece of wood right there, though. Okay, we got a left-hander. Oh, there's Britt. Nice little double. Ooh, solid corner. Oh my God, Britt just hit that jump. Okay, we got an inside and outside line. Sick. Nice little double. Little ski jump. Not bad. All right. Oh, that's fun. That's such a fun one. Got an inside one. I think he said the left side's pretty fun. Let's try that. Let's go, baby. Oh, I love that little hip jump like out of the corner. Oh my God, that's so much air. That's pretty fun. I like the hip jump or the side jump. It's pretty cool. Oh, no, he got the pass. Oh God, coming into the corner. Get out. Hey, quit blocking me. Dude, Jake, this track is sick, bro. Dude, best surprise ever. I haven't rode it so long. You know, I haven't rode it long, but I'm already getting arm pump. Like, geez. Do want to say a big thank you to you guys, because you guys killed my last video. I'm so excited about it, so really appreciate you guys and all you guys do for the channel. I'm gonna need you to build another room in your house for me, okay? Because I want to be here every single day. All right, Jake, let's see it, bud. Oh my gosh, that's so freaking big. All right, so Britt has come a long ways riding, and I'm super proud because she sends it. Oh my gosh, so much better than what she used to be. She's killing it lately. Oh my God. Let's go, Britt. Dude, she's killing it right now. Holy shit, Britt, that's the biggest jump I've ever seen her hit. Yeah, Britt, you're killing it. I always get booted up so weird on that one. Britt, I can tell you how much seat time you've had on this track. You killed it. You ready to rip today? Heck yeah. Jesus, what are you doing? I gotta get the side-by-side off to get Max's reaction, so let's go do that. Is this your first time in one? Yeah? All right, let's make sure that's locked in on you. All right, you feel safe and secured? All right. You wanna go like medium fast or really fast? Really fast? All right. All right, you ready, Max? Is that pretty fun? You like it? Yeah. You wanna do it again? All right. You ready? Hold your head back so you don't get launched back. Are you ready? Set, go. Give me a knuckle, man. Heck yeah. I love taking kids for a ride. They just get the best reactions out of them. I actually took another little kid for a ride down at my river house, and he absolutely loved it. I'll insert the clip here. Ready? But he was so happy to ride with me and to meet me and stuff like that. So if I can ever do that, that's so cool to me. Did you have fun, buddy? Was it really fast? Yeah. All right, so we just stepped off the bike for a minute. We're gonna bust out the big camera and do a sick montage for you guys. I'm having so much fun, and it's been a pretty random but awesome day, but this track is so sick. Probably one of my favorite pit bike tracks, but we're gonna go ahead and cut it to you guys' favorite. Cut it to a montage. No way. You think he's actually gonna hit it this time?
No, absolutely. I would be rolling camera right away.
Oh my god, that's so much air. You got it all day, bud. Is he actually good at
What are we
riding?
doing right now?
Dude, what is it? You got it, bud.
I mean, if it feels bad, I might bail off of it. I mean, jump, yeah.
Yeah. I can't believe he wants to do this on a Z.
You know,
Let's go.
this is a new realm for Z125.
I mean, if he hits it at 35, he should be good at least.
No way. Is he gonna do it right now? No way. No way. Oh my god. No way! Perfect. No way.
I can't believe we just did that. I think he's about to do it again.
Oh my god! You're the man, dude. A lot more people just got here, so I was like, I want to rip. They're ripping, so that's what we're gonna go do. And they watered the track a little bit, as you guys saw in the montage, but like, it's looking prime now. Leave in the comments, guys. I don't think I'll hit the big jump today, but I guess maybe next time or something. What happened? Ride her down. I like this roller right here to the downhill. Oh, Brent's getting out in front of me this time. Oh god. Woo! Woo! Derek, get out of here, bud. Get out of here, get out of here. Oh, get out of here. God dang it. What a goofball, man. This track is sick, dude. Thanks for the invite, man. Hell yeah! Dude, Jake's crazy, man. You doing it? Oh no! I didn't know he was doing it right there. Hell yeah! Go ahead, let's see it, let's see it! Yeah, baby! This kid's a savage, dude. Oh my. Yeah, baby. Deep. Such a sick day so far. I need to hit the ramp. I really want to hit it, but like, since I'm kind of tired and everything, I don't think it'd be the best time for me to do it right now, but dude, this is so much fun. All right, let's see it, Corey. You ever see a Viper drifting online? This is him. Dude, damn, what a day. Huge shout out to Jake. Go check him out. He's gonna be creating a channel here soon. Look at this. This crazy ramp. This video gets 3,000 likes. I'll come back and hit it next weekend. So you guys better blow it up because I gotta come film. I gotta come film it. Jesus, what you think, bud?
Dude, it's awesome. Steezy.
Dude, it's Steezy season.
Steezy season.
Dude, I think I might make a shirt.
I think you should. I see it now, like embroidered on the back, Steezy. And just be like throwing a knack-knack.
Like Santa Claus throwing a knack-knack.
Oh,
that's my Christmas shirt. Coming
yeah.
soon. You guys heard it here first. It's patented already, so don't take my idea. So here we go. I need to hit the ramp, dude. I'm definitely gonna hit it next time, that's for sure. I blew it, no! Let's go! Dude, I finally got that table, looks solid. Well guys, I think I'm gonna do a few more motos and then call it a day. It's been a freaking killer day. Couldn't freaking thank Jake enough for making such a sick track. I mean, shoot, huge shout out to him for inviting me over today. And I do want to say, before I log off guys, do want to say thank you because we're almost to 100K, and I really set this goal for myself this year to hit 100K, and we're at like 93,000, hopefully more by now, by the time you watch this, guys. And if you guys would, leave a like, leave a comment, helps me out so much. I truly appreciate you guys, everything you guys, and all you guys watching and stuff. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. So if you guys would, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace out. Yeah, baby.